Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and engage the parking brake for safety. Chock the rear wheels with blocks to prevent rolling. Gather tools, 10 mm socket, 13 mm socket, Torx T15, Phillips, and a plastic trim tool. Wear gloves and eye protection before removing any fender hardware. Disconnect the negative battery cable if your Wrangler has wheel well lights or sensors to avoid short circuits or accidental damage. Remove visible screws and bolts in the wheel well using Torx and sockets. Start with the lower bolts, then work clockwise toward the front of the wheel arch. Pull the upper edge of the flare outward to release plastic clips while working along the seam. Use a plastic trim tool to pry stubborn clips without cracking the flare. Disconnect any lighting harnesses and set wiring aside carefully to prevent pinching or damage. Inspect mounting holes and clean debris before reinstalling the flare to ensure proper fit. Replace any broken clips with OEM or high-quality replacements for a secure hold. When reinstalling, align the top edge first and press clips into their holes until they click. Tighten visible bolts and screws snugly to about 10 ft-lb. Do not over-tighten to avoid cracking the flare. Reconnect any lighting harnesses, test the lights, and verify the flare sits flush with the body.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.